Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV. Got another episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. Today I'm going over the bridge into Williamsburg and I'm going to show you a couple of my favorite places to eat. Steak, pizza, and burgers. Got a lot of ground to cover, so buckle up. Here we go. Alright, so first thing we got to do is get over this bridge. I am just about to get on the Williamsburg Bridge bike path and gun it across into Brooklyn. You might notice I got some new handlebars in front of me here. It's a new bike. I am riding the Ultraflex, the Zoo's new full suspension bike. As you can imagine, it rides and handles like a dream. The full suspension is really a game changer for the Zoo's bike. It's a little bit heavier at 85 pounds. It comes with fenders that you can put on that are nicely integrated onto the frame. Still has that beautiful chrome frame, that characteristic Zoo's look. It is right now on a mega sale for $32.95, and if you use my code Johnny Prime, you get another $150 off. So it's a no-brainer. I think you should get it. So our first stop on this food run is going to be Peter Luger's, the ultimate steakhouse, the most famous steakhouse probably in the whole world. It's been here since the, I think, early mid 1800s. It's got a German style feel to it. You feel like you're in, you know, an old German cabin almost. Big wood tables, very beer garden feel to it. And that's right on the other side of this bridge, so that'll be our very first stop. Here we go. All right, I'm going to make this turn here, and then Luger's just going to be straight ahead. And what I'll do is I'll roll back some old footage because I can't eat a whole steak meal now. Besides, I don't really have like a reservation. It might be tough to get a seat. But I'll show you some old footage of me eating in there. And you'll get a sense for what it's like. Thank you.
God, look at this. That iPhone 14 is beautiful.
Yeah, sort of. Baconator. There you go. Pork is the best vegetable. Everything is comfortable.
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that's Superman.
You would think Italy is I got the front. All right.
Is your fish cold by now? What? Is your fish cold by now? Smells like fish.
Fly by with your light.
Hal, thanks for getting ice water dropped on.
Yeah.
Each bite with a shot, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, Luger's is a great spot. A lot of history there. It gets really crowded at times. Like even the very first available open spot, 11:45 in the morning, is generally packed. I love the burger there. That's my favorite menu item. Burger is only served during lunch, so if that's what you want, get there for lunch. Okay, so I'm taking a right here. I'm going to the next food spot, which is Leo Pizza. The cool thing about Leo is their crust is the sourdough crust. Very unique, very rare. You don't always see that. I really like it. I think it's better than a lot of the other pizza joints in this area that are always real crowded. Oh, we got some construction here. I'm just gonna go on the sidewalk. You know, with a BMX like the Zoos, you really can do it and not piss too many people off. Okay, back on the street. So a lot of the pizza places here, like Fini and La Industrie, they get super crowded. They get big lines. And, you know, when it comes to pizza, I don't want to wait on giant lines for pizza. It's just not worth it to me. Every neighborhood should have an easily accessible pizza joint that is, especially in New York, that is great. And Leo is that place, especially in this area. It's kind of off the radar. People know it, but there's no lines. And they also have a full pie location right next door to the slice joint location. So if you're just going in for a quick slice, you'll be in and out. It's quick, no lines. If you want a pie, you can sit down and have a pie right next door. So this place is just on Havemeyer Street. So I got to take a right on Havemeyer. It's coming up. Oh, this road isn't paved. No matter on the Zoo's full suspension, but I am going to pull off onto the sidewalk because it's right here on the left. Oh wow. Okay, so the third and final food joint I'm going to show you is Blue Collar Burger. I really like this place. It's kind of in the spirit of In-N-Out or Shake Shack. It's similar to that, but I think it's a little bit better. And it's a small mom and pop, so you like to give them business. It's also on Havemeyer Street, but it's down a bit, so I'm just looping around. This is another spot that that the Zoos Club and I really like to go to. All right, here we are.
These look so good.
So you see, just around the corner from Blue Collar Burger is this massive line for La Industrie Pizza, which is what I was saying a little while ago, and it's crazy. I'd much rather go to Leo, right around the corner. So that's it, we did it. 3 food joints in 8 minutes, Williamsburg. Thanks for watching Around the Hood in 8 minutes, only on Frantic TV.